little hint for you when it comes to promoting your channel or promoting your business. Another way that you can do this is when you buy things. A lot of the time, if I buy something, what I would do, I will look at the reviews. Generally, they're crap and they're just fake. But with AliExpress, it's interesting because they actually have two key bits of information that are quite interesting when you're viewing a product. One is how many they've sold, and the other is how many their main store has sold. Because it might be just like a franchise selling it for somebody else. So you can see how many have actually been sold. Then you can look at the reviews, and you can look at the reviews by what country they were sent to. So when I bought a hammock, I could see there were 3 reviews from England, well, from Britain. And it's not reviews, from what I can see, it's not reviews from fabricated people. It's reviews from people that have actually bought the item. So the reviews they could be fake, but they seem genuine. Now, why I review everything and leave a comment, feedback on everything is quite simple. Because I'll show you what I'm going to do. Because if someone else reads your review, that means they've got a similar interest in your foldable, portable, truck mounted engineer shovel, camping tent, outdoor shovel. It's a collapsible, it's a shit pit shovel, collapsible thing. Then you leave your feedback, you say, yeah, it was great. And then in your feedback, copy and paste. Great essential for camping. I'm doing a full review on my YouTube channel at Ash Off Grid. And that way, you now have advertising on that product. Because whenever somebody goes to look on that, oh look, it's a Lasada camping stove, titanium. I shall leave feedback. It was very good. I put it together. Not used it, but it looks pretty good. Oh look, great essential for camping. I'm doing a full review on YouTube at Ash Off Grid. I would upload pictures because that will actually help to boost it. But as my computer went tits up yesterday and I had to get a little baby new one, I don't have any pictures at the moment. But it's a nice little tip if you want to promote yourself. Oh look, my fire stick. Yes, it was good. It worked. Oh look, I'm doing a full review on my YouTube channel at Ash Off Grid. Are you seeing how you could use your purchases to promote stuff? Obviously, it's not going to work if you're Brooke Marsden, who never actually buys anything. She just basically rents knickers and bras to shove up her snatch and flash and send back for a refund. That's why whenever she advertises clothing, she's got the labels on them. It's a massive... She's a millionaire. It's a scam. So yeah, leave your feedback and plug your channel at the same time. Yes, system is busy, try again later. Yeah, what that means is I've probably done too many at one time. I do have a few more to get through. I had 16 items delivered in one day. And I've just gone and bought another 20 items. Not because I wanted them, but because they lured me in with the, what's his name thingy? The pound off voucher, because things were delayed. I had 16 pound off vouchers in one go. So I spent them one at a time. You can't put them all together. So I got 16 items on the way. It's little things like a knife, kitchen knife, pair of gloves. It's just random stuff. I'm going to use it, but it's just random stuff. So yeah, that is a nice little way you can promote your channel, your business. Oh, my orders. By leaving feedback. Because a lot of people do read the feedback to see whether or not it's any good, whether or not it's crap. Even if you leave a negative review, you can still put your channel. It's free advertising.